हाय मेनका। माय नेम इज़ जबीन डिक्रूज। मैं बॉम्बे से हूँ। एज आई स्पीक इन इंग्लिश लिटिल बिट एंड लिटिल इन हिंदी बिकॉज आई एम मोर comfortable to explain in Hindi. And as I know Menka from many years, when I was in greatly in a, I think बहुत ज़्यादा मैं डिप्रेशन में थी. And first thing I will tell you that clear you that Menka is like for me especially is a messenger from the God. I call her angel, as she has worked, she has made me in a transformation from negative to positive, as she has shown me the right way to think. I was a very negative person, very मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा negative, and she told me that negative things will obviously affect, and she made me more closer to God. So I am very much glad that I have met her. I'm really thank you God first for this thing that I have met her in that moment when I have wanted someone to be near to God and tell that God listen to my prayer. And she was a meditator in between me and God. So I call her angel. For me right now also she is like an angel. I listen to her. In fact, I'm a very bad client of her. Bad in means not a bad means that way bad means very irritating. Keep on calling her, keep on messaging her, telling me what is this for 5 seconds, and she really sometimes I feel she gets irritated. I get scared of her anger also. जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना एक डरते हैं ऊपर वाले से गुस्से से, गुस्सा आने आना चाहिए. इफ़ आई दैट एंगर आई डोंट नीड ऑफ गॉड, वैसा मुझे ऐसा लगता है एंजल को एंगर आ गया मीन्स अब गॉड ऑल्सो गेटिंग एंगर विथ मी. सो when she gets anger, I get scared also to check her message ki bhai what she has sent in the angry mood, that way. But trust me, she is such a soul, good soul and very loving soul, that even in spite of irritating her, she always reply me in the cool way by saying, Jabeen, don't get panic, don't get stressed, I know, and lots of explanation they give. So then I be very calm. जैसे एक बच्चे को ठंडा कराते वैसे she does for me. Because as a mother of the 3 kids and whatever decision, I still remember she had predict my kids very long time a year, and that way only is happening. I had a family issue with my husband, that also got sorted out, and many things, and everything has come God grace, and in angel's prayer that everything is coming normal. But life is like ऊपर नीचे होता ही रहता है. That is like sometime good, sometime bad. But he always tell me bad is coming because God is preparing us to have a good times. So always have to face, and but never leave the faith of a God. So she is a person who always guide me, and I really thank you God for giving angel in my life. And always she be with me. I sometimes I see her in the dream also, and then I message her that whether she is fine or no, because without her I can't, I can't think about it, because she always have given me for my kids what to do, and everything she has really guided my kids, whether that is right. And this, being a Catholic, I do whatever she does to tell me, because but in her way of talking is different. I see lots of YouTubers, doing all this stuff, and many of people, but आई एम नॉट दैट. वो इंटेंशन होता है ना अंदर कि हाँ भाई ये सही होगा, मुझे वो आता ही नहीं है. एंड व्हेन आई टॉक टू हर, whether it is not my zodiac and still I check her when I see her in the YouTube or whatever Instagram I follow her, then I feel very much relaxed and very confident on myself that no, it is happening, it's going to happen. So angel is really, God has given me angel, and I'm very thankful for God to give me Menka as angel. Thank you Menka to be in my life. Hi guys, hi Menka, good afternoon. This video is from India. I stay in India. My name is Jabin Cruz. As I thank you for everything, whatever you're giving. This is my second video. क्योंकि मैं पहले के वीडियो में I forgot to tell you. This is my second video which I'm sending to you. Vinka, you are blessed soul, and really I'm being blessed that I have found you. I have found you in the meditator or between God and me. I always pray for you that you always be in good health and everyone, because you are for me everything. First God and then you are in my life. And I'm very much thank you for whatever you're doing, helping me, whatever doing for me is like I don't have a words to tell you. You are a very blessed soul. Till yet you have always helped me, and whatever you have said and it has come. In you sometimes say also it is this is going to happen, this is going to happen, this is not, अभी ये नहीं हो सकता, अभी ये नहीं होगा. But you have not told us directly, but you have made us understand that we don't feel hurt. You take care of that also, and you find a redeeming of that whatever you have told us. And really, I can't explain how much you are for me in my life. You are a part of my life. Without you, though, I would not able to come up till here what I am now. In my relationship, which was supposed to broke out, you have patched it up by saying do this, do that. First of all, my transformation of my negative has come to positive. My kids' futures, everything you have given me in the plateau, like a small baby gets everything in the plateau. And whatever you have told, it's all is coming. Time hai, and even you say time lagega, but it will come, and you should have hope. That is the main thing which you always tell. And because you say, and we all are like okay, because we are humans, mistakes तो होते हैं, आता है कि भाई सचमुच हो रहा है कि नहीं, सचमुच ये कहा कि नहीं. But whatever you have said, and I have kept in that, and it is coming, it is like positively, and it happens. So thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There's no word for me. Thank you to always be with me, and please keep that thing with me always. Love you, Minka. Love you very much.